shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's daily dark pool whisper for October 22nd. Live from New York, by the way. I will be presenting tonight at the Plainview Library. So if you are in the New York area, come on down on Old Country Road, 6:45 p.m. tonight. It's a free event, so come on, bring your friends, bring your family. And I do look forward to seeing so many of my traders there as well. So let's start with the whisper. We're going to start with the SPY. We are bullish above $300.50. And look what we just came to. Right there, 49 cents and backed off. So that's a pretty big level. Let's see if we could break above it. Bearish below 299.50. Let's move on to the E-minis. We're going to be bullish above 3008. And we just went above that right now. And bearish below 29.99. I did send these out a long time ago, an hour ago, so that if these guys started to move, for those of you that do trade the futures, you'd be able to take advantage of it. So the Russell, we're going to be bullish above 155. That really is a key level. We tested it yesterday and formed a little gravestone doji. Yeah, so we really need to break above that to be bullish on the Russell. If it does, 156 is a really key resistance area. And we'll be bearish below 153.50 for a retracement trade. Let's move on to the QQQs. We're going to be bullish above 194. We're there right now, testing it. Bearish below 193. Let's go to the NASDAQ futures, bullish above 79.6250. We just went above that. Actually hit our first target already. Yeah, so watch that 79.70 area. We are going to be bearish below 79.3750. The Russell 2000 futures, bullish above 1555, bearish below 1547. And let's go to the Dow minis. We'll be bullish above 26,820. And we're going to be bearish below 26,750. Now we're going to head on to the oil futures. Let me just bring in my chart here. All right, actually going to make this a little bit bigger so we can see this. Yeah, oil's been a great trade. Actually, just some more volume just came in here. We're going to be bullish above 53.87. I did have some pre-market volume between 53.41 and 53.68. So that's why I picked that 87 level. Bearish below 53.25. Yeah, so if we go below right here, I'm going to be bearish, and I will be bullish above here to there. And let's move on to the gold futures. So gold futures, we're going to be bullish above 1492.50. Yep, above this Camarilla. And then we're going to be bearish below 1489. We'll see how that goes. Let me just move these guys out of the way. AMD was hot yesterday. And it's hot this morning. We have earnings on it, 10/29. So that would be next Tuesday. Yeah, so this thing could be a nice mover this week. Bullish above 32.25. Watch that area. And we're going to be bearish below 31.75 for a retracement trade. But so far, it's really been hanging out here. There's been a buyer at 32.15. So that's also a key level to watch. Let's go to Snap. Snap has earnings today after the close. Right, so be careful with that one, but could be a nice runner today. Bullish above 1490, just went above that. And we are going to be bearish below 1425. Let's go to GDX. All right, GDX is below recent prints that we had at 2702, 2728, so that is bearish. I'll only be bullish if we go above 2720. And I'm going to be bearish below 26.50. We tested that once yesterday. Yep. So if we do go below that today, that will be bearish for GDX. Bank of America had some really nice prints on it yesterday. 31 and 30.95. We are above those prints. So that is bullish. Bullish above 31.25 and bearish below 30.70. Teva, my traders rocked this one yesterday. And yeah, I have some new levels for you today. We're going to be bullish above 8.76. We had some new prints yesterday at 8.40 and 8.75. And we're going to be bearish below 7.75. Let's go to PG. PG had earnings, and we're going to be bullish above 125. That's a really key level. Bearish for a retracement trade below 123.50. And this is a great one to watch for the trend trade. Yeah, see this green line here? If we close below it on a 5-minute chart, 5-minute candle, and it has to be after 15 minutes the market is open. So at 9:45 Eastern, if it closes below this green line, 15 exponential moving average, it's usually a pop and drop scenario. But if it stays above it, gap and go. So we'll see. A lot of times it'll come down to it, test it, and then bounce off, or come down and then go below. I use that along with major levels, but it looks like a good one for today for PG. Let's go to UPS. UPS did not like its earnings. Oh no. We are going to be bearish below 113.75 and only bullish if it can break above 115.25 for a retracement trade for UPS. IBB, we had those monster prints not too long ago. Somebody always knows something before earnings. We're going to be bullish above 107. And again, we are approaching resistance here on the daily chart. Yeah, this 200. So is it going to be a gap and go? All right, it's going to gap and go because there's really nothing above this 200 or a pop and drop scenario. So this is another one I would watch. The trend trade on this, that 15 EMA. All right, bearish below 105. And we'll see how this goes. All right, so if you don't have my Dark Pool app, go ahead and download it from the App Store. If you have an Android phone or an Apple phone, yep, you can just search Dark Pool and download it, unlock the private feed, and you will get all the push notifications all day long, along with the Whisper video before the market opens. So until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.